Okay, we're going to be trying some reloads today. I got some Hornady reloads that I did, 55 grain, and then I've got some in here that are just regular purchased. My brother gave me. So I'm going to use the purchased ones first, and then I'll use the reloads. And they are 223 rounds. I'm going to be shooting them in my DPMS AR15. Shooting left, but it's smack on. Height is perfect. It's just shooting. I'm just going left. So.
What did you hit?
Huh?
What did you hit?
On the black center. Left.
Oh.
I don't have
the 45.
Can I shoot now?
Yeah. Okay, I emptied that.
Is there a round in the chamber?
Yeah. It keeps piling up in there.
Okay, this time we're going to do the Hornady 55 grain reloads and see what they do.
Yeah, my shells are getting stuck in there. It's just jamming like it did when I used your gas gun. Instead I didn't hold it strong enough. Why did it do that? There was not even a board in there.
Is there a round in the chamber?
No, but when I charge it back, shouldn't I put one in there?
You didn't. You put a magazine in it when it was like this.
I thought I put it back. Well, that's why it's not shooting. There's no bullet. Okay, now stop hogging them.
Oh golly, what? How did I get so?
Am I shooting high every time?
A little bit.
Because I'm aiming low. There's a bullet in there.
gotta go get the guy.
Okay, so here's the reloads that I had done, the Hornady 55 grain, and I just did 55 grain because you know, starting out, didn't want to do a bigger load, so I went with a light load. And this is the results at the range. So you know, the first two little wild ones here, that was me, but after that reined it in a little bit, and I was pretty pleased with it. Didn't have a single jam with them. They all fired very well, so I was very pleased with that.